Hello, Algebra Readiness. Your homework assignment this evening is out of your Week 22 packets. You're working on pages 15 and 16. I'd like to help you here on page 15. Let's take a look at your first problem, number 13. It says find the sales tax and the total cost. This is a real-life type of problem. Price of shoes is $50 and the sales tax is 7%. So your total cost is going to be the price of the shoes plus whatever the sales tax is. So we need to find out what 7% of $50. Now there's a couple of ways to get there. We know that 10% is $5 because you take the decimal, you move it over one space, and that gives you 10%. 1% is 50 cents because you take the decimal, you move it over two spaces. There's your 50 cents. Well, to get to 7% is just take that and multiply by 7. 1% times 7 is 7%. When you multiply that out, you find out that the tax is $3.50. So the sales tax is $3.50. The total cost then would be your $50 for the pair of shoes plus $3.50 for the tax. That gives you a grand total of $53.50. So use that as your example to complete the rest of this page. Pause the video to continue copying that out. Otherwise, the video will play on to help you with the problem on page number 16. So page number 16 looks like this. We're talking about scientific notation, and then on the bottom part you are practicing your percents and your exponents. Let's go ahead and continue practicing scientific notation. I'd like to help you out with problem number 2 on this page. Now over here, the second column, just like we practiced in class, says you need to take the decimal and move it until you end up with a number between 1 and 10. So that gives me 5.74. And I had to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, so that's a 1 with 6 zeros. That gives me a million. Now, it would be take a long time to write a million or write a 1 with all those zeros. It's much easier to write a 10 raised to the 6th power. Because there are 6 zeros here, you know that that's to the 6th power. So use that as your example to complete the table up at the top. Let's take a look at a couple of these down here at the bottom. I'm going to help you with 7 and 8. This is x to the, and when it's multiplied, you're going to add your powers together. That's to the 3 plus 6 power. 3 plus 6 is 9. And then this other one, it's 9 to the 3 times 5. So you don't add those, you multiply them. That's 9 to the 15th. So use those as your examples. That's 7 and 8. All right, that's it for now. See you in class tomorrow.